Reynaxis Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn Villar of Reynaxis Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. Today, I received a call from our operation department saying that one of our weighing scales in the supermarket is not working. Upon checking, we can see that the power port is dislodged and one of the wires for taking in 220 volts is not connected. So now we're going to repair it with using soldering iron, which is my Dremel gas cordless soldering iron. What I'm doing here is that I'm applying heat on the connector to melt the old lead. And now I'm reattaching the severed wire and applying a new batch of lead to strengthen the connection. We will need something to keep the port in place, and right now we don't have a liquid glue, so I just used a glue stick and used my butane torch to liquefy the glue stick. The alarm is nice. That should keep this port from coming off the socket. That's it. If you're wondering why a supermarket has a separate weighing scale on the counter aside from the scale in the meat or vegetable section, this is just to show the customer that our scales in the meat sections are correct, and this scale will always verify the weight of the items being purchased by our customers. So that's a fix, guys. Anyway, I always keep my Dremel Cordless Soldering tool in this nice little organizer bag. This small bag is a pencil case, but I find that it's also a nice case for this tool. Alright guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.